Right, welcome to my how-to guide on how to raise and lower the top rack on your SMEG dishwasher. So we'll open it up, and of course we're taking this off. It is quite simple really. What you've got to undo is undo a grey clip here and a grey clip here. This isn't clear, I know, but what you're supposed to do is actually you can just flick them down like that. That's all you have to do. And the same with the other side. Next, what we're going to do is lower the basket. So we'll take it out like that. Send them out fully. And there we go. Here we go. Now, what it actually doesn't do, it's very unusual with this dishwasher, is instead of actually lowering and raising the basket, what you're actually doing is levelling it out and then lowering it on one side. The idea is if you're putting wine glasses in here, because of the top coming up, they're usually too big to fit on this gap. So you're supposed to lower one side, and that allows you to then load them without hitting the tops. Likewise, if you're also raising one side as opposed to the other, raising it all together, then you'll have more room down below for bigger items. That's why there's only one set of wheels on one side and two sets on the other. I'll show you with it lowered. There we go. What's unusual is that the spray arm stays perfectly flat, so it's quite unique on this. And again, one more time. Take it out. Send them out. Make sure they're in both sides. And push all the way back. So next you want to put these end caps back on. There we go, that's one. Give it a pull on the actual tab to make sure it doesn't come off. And the other one, other side. Well, you can even see on this side what I'm doing. And as we can see, the little grooves in the actual clip sit inside these rectangle holes. Again, give it a pull. And just pull it back. Pull out. Make sure that the basket doesn't fall out. There we go. And that's how to raise and lower the top basket on your SMEG dishwasher. Thank you for watching.